everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. And today we are in one of the exciting new neighborhoods, Heritage Trace at Crosswater, and I'm thrilled to be once again joined by Tom with Providence Homes by Bill Sellers, one of our amazing builders out here, and he's going to show us this amazing model today. Thanks for having us.
Thank you all for coming out today. I'm very, very excited to take you through our Ellaville. And just to kind of start at the front, this is one of 4 options of our elevations. This is very popular because of the front porch. People love the idea of sitting on the front porch.
I love that front porch, Tom. Here, we'll come inside. Here, Carly.
Thank you.
This is magnificent.
Wow.
Honestly, Tom, when you walk in here, this really is a wow factor, like Carlene just said. Look how wide this grand entry is. Tell us about it.
And it has a great line of sight. So the Ellaville has been for many years one of our best selling floor plans. And the reason is it's 2,758 square feet. In its standard configuration, it's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths with a formal dining room. What makes this so popular is that we have about a dozen different personalization options, so our buyers can really design the house to fit their very specific needs. In fact, we're going to see several of those as we go through the home today.
Carlene, can we actually keep walking through here? Go
Oh,
straight.
yep.
Because this is a Jack and Jill with these 2 bedrooms. And Tom was talking about those configurations, and I'm glad he brought it up, and I'm hoping he brings it up again, because that is something Providence Homes is known for. When you walk into a floor plan, do not assume this is the only option, because it's not. And Tom mentioned a formal dining room. Well, guess what? This model is not going to have that, because again, they're showing that great configuration. This room is a great size. Look at the beautiful how it just curves around like a bay window.
Correct.
This is stunning. But Tom, can we do something else with that?
Yeah, this room can be squared off, or we can push this whole side of the house out, which would take the house up to about 2,800 square feet if we did that.
And that's a great size, whether you're an empty nester, whether you're a family, when you have kids in the house. That is a, great square footage size. I can see why it's so popular.
So we've got 2 bedrooms and 1 bath here. This is where the formal dining room would normally go, but as you can see, we've converted it into this beautiful den with sliding pocket doors.
Love that. Beautiful.
And it seems today everybody wants a study.
Yes.
That just seems to be very, very popular. We see very few people doing the formal dining room anymore. So this works out very well.
I love that. Absolutely. And now we have to go to the left. This is one of my favorite spaces, actually.
So this would be the 3rd bedroom and the 3rd bath, but also this is the drop zone. This is where you would come in from the garage.
Oh, let me get that. Yeah, Carly, get how big. And again, not always easy to see on camera, but everyone, this is a huge, huge space. You could actually, I'm being very serious, you could put something in the center right here, like a little cushion to sit on, put your shoes on. There is that much space. I promise you, if you come see this amazing Ellaville floor plan, this is going to really knock your socks off.
The other thing that's nice about this side of the house is there is, it's away from the other bedrooms. So if you had, a multi-generational situation where you wanted a parent or a family member, this would give them all the privacy they need. We can put a pocket door here.
You can.
And this would be almost an ensuite all by itself.
On the first floor,
Correct.
which is perfect. Oh, so really, oh my gosh. I'm right now freaking out. Multi-generational living, this is your floor plan. Thrilled to know that at the Welcome Center, because people ask us that all the time.
Yeah.
Now this
Wow.
really is breathtaking.
And as you can see, we Prada Homes picked this open concept here as our best feature for this house.
Absolutely.
Very
And the beautiful
open.
tray ceilings. Look at this attention
Correct.
to detail.
Right. There's an optional sliding glass door, triple sliders over there if you want to go that route, or you can take it with the windows. It all depends on how many sitting areas you want.
Let's go outside really quick,
Sure.
because I just really am impressed with this backyard, with this covered patio. how much space there is, because the one thing in Nocatee, people love that year-round you really can be outside. So this would allow you, in Providence Homes, what they did, they put a table out here for dining is how they set this up. But I love it. So you can entertain out here, but then you can also choose to be inside. But if it's raining, we do have a little bit of rain in the afternoons in the summertime. How great is this? You could still be outside.
Absolutely. And did you notice there's six chairs here? That's
That's a big table.
That's a big table.
And big chairs.
And
I mean,
big
so you could
chairs.
really put even more is the
You
point.
could, yep,
This-
absolutely.
I mean, this space, again, everyone needs to come to Heritage Trace and see Tom and this Ellaville model. Wow. Absolutely love this. And this is beautiful. Just the angling. Lots of just the architecture,
Right.
the way this floor plan is laid out is amazing. Oh my goodness. No, I'm a parent. This is every parent's dream. I can't, I'm speechless.
Well.
Look at this. Tom,
This is what we call our pocket office, and much like your reaction, parents go bonkers when they see this.
no, I want this house just because now your child can have their privacy, but they're on the first floor by you, so they're
Right.
still monitored. But even if you
Absolutely.
didn't have a kid, paying your bills right here.
Sure, planning parties, doing menus,
Oh.
paying your bills. It's a great little second office.
Oh my goodness.
Some people, we have some of our customers that want his and hers offices. And so one can do the
Yes.
study over there, one can do the pocket office
That's
over here.
absolutely, I'm so glad you're pointing out, but right now is my number one favorite thing, right?
There you go.
Amazing. Great owner suite size.
Plenty of room
Wow.
in here, have a sitting area. You can see there's still wall space for an additional dresser
Oh,
if
absolutely.
you need that.
This is very big, Tom.
Very
I
spacious.
mean,
Yep.
it really, really, really is. This
Yes.
is a nice size. Again, a beautiful tray ceiling. And because they've done that throughout the house, it really makes the home look bigger
Always.
because of raising that ceiling
Always.
height.
And it does let more light through the home when you have a high flat ceiling as opposed to a vaulted ceiling.
This
So
is
the-
beautiful.
So this master bath, the components in here are what you would get. We have done some upgrades, but you would get a very large shower, a soaking tub, double sinks,
Love that.
raised to the adult height.
Yeah, and that's a nice thing. I'm glad you mentioned that.
Oh, yeah.
'Cause raising the height is very important. Love that.
But one of our signature features is the large walk-in closet that leads into the
Wow.
laundry room.
That is okay. The first time I ever walked into a Providence home, I was almost in tears just because I've never seen that in a floor plan before, and I know it was a few years ago, but to me that is one of the things that really make Providence homes stand out here in Nocatee.
Absolutely.
Look at this
Absolutely.
laundry room. The laundry room's huge. Again,
Here, let me step back so I
get
can see
back,
this.
get it all. Lots of cabinet space, first of all. Great, you could put washers, dryers, plenty of space. You can do actually, the bottom where there's pedestals and
sure.
do a different style, but there's plenty of space. Huge.
Huge.
I mean that sincerely. This laundry room. And can you turn around and get
Yep.
the walk-in pantry?
Oh, and then yep.
Just because that's a perfect size, just quickly get that. I just want to make sure people know there is a full walk-in pantry. Now, Tom will touch on the kitchen really quick before we go upstairs.
Yes.
Okay, so what we've done here is this represents our gourmet kitchen, and our gourmet kitchen has the 5-burner cooktop, and as you know, everything in Nocatee is gas.
And down here in Crosswater.
Down here in
Everything at
Crosswater,
Crosswater
yes.
is gas. Yes, very important to say.
The microwave and the wall oven, we vent everything to the outside so you don't get any, cooking smells in the
Yes.
house.
Yes.
We added the little trash can,
Soft close.
soft close in all the cabinets.
If anyone wants to do anything when they build a home, always get soft close. That is a game changer because you're not hearing the slam. The slam when you're cooking.
But there's plenty of room. They talk about the cooking triangle. This house definitely has that, so it's very easy to work in here, and you have tremendous amount of countertop on this island.
The island is beautiful, and
Right.
again, all that entertaining space in here, and because this floor plan chose not to do the formal dining room, this configuration, But you don't need it because you have all of
Sure.
this space.
Sure.
All of this space. And another thing down, as we go upstairs, we'll talk about what is making Crosswater so special, is that they are having their own HOA park, Tom. So have you heard about the schoolyard?
Yeah, that's really exciting. When I tell people about that, they almost don't believe it, and I usually have to repeat it because they can't believe they're going to have their own private park, literally within walking distance of any
Absolutely.
home.
Dog parks, it's going to be amazing. Now I want to pause because this, again, is something Providence is known for. Show us that bunny, Tom.
Okay, so if you look up, there's our famous chocolate bunny.
Wow.
And the way, just to summarize, the way that we build and insulate our homes, that bunny will not melt in the summer. In my house, that bunny would be a puddle of chocolate on the floor.
Yes, it would. Yes.
So what we say is that the benefits of our engineering of our homes is that it's a less expensive home because your bills are less expensive. It's a more comfortable home, and it's a healthier home because we don't pull air from the outside.
I love that. And that, again, I'm so glad you pointed that out. Okay, this is a 5th bedroom, Tom.
Correct.
I mean, look at this.
Huge walk-in closet, full bath.
Full bath around the corner, Carling.
Yeah.
So now you've really got a 5-bedroom house, or you could actually make this a great theater room, game room,
Correct.
kids play area,
Right,
crafting
exactly.
room,
Yeah.
whatever it is. But I also want to talk about why you should also buy down with Tom. Providence Heritage Trace is not only they're going to have their own HOA park, but they're also steps away from the Nocatee Landing, just announced, opening any day now. We're so excited. And the Nocatee Landing is where you're going to be able to launch your non-motorized watercrafts. You can fish down there. There's going to be restrooms down there, an open-air pavilion down there.
Yep.
But the best thing, did you hear you're getting a pool outside of Crosswater? It's called Crosswater Park, coming to us soon, and it's going to have sand volleyball, pool, dog parks, lots of parking. It is a CDD park, so if you don't live down here, which, why don't you? But if you don't, then you can still use it because it is a CDD park, and we're so excited. So 3 great features of living down here in Crosswater, and we're specifically in Heritage Trace. The square footage homes for Heritage Trace, y'all are, is it 1900 or 2000?
Right, because we have 50s and 60s. We're just doing the 60s, so that it starts at 19 and it goes through the 60s up to about 3,150.
That's a big house. You can
Sure.
have a nice size home, so
Right.
regardless of your life stage, this is a great community
Right.
to be in.
Absolutely.
So please come see Providence Homes by Bill Sellers. Of course, see Tom. So excited I'm filming with him again. Beautiful home, great craftsmanship, amazing. Again, I'm Heather with the Welcome Center here at Nocatee, brought to you by the Park Group, and thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday. Bye.
Bye.